How to customize iPhone's back tap feature. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're looking to customize your back tap feature, simply head on over into your settings tab. Once you go into settings, you want to scroll down and go into accessibility. Now, once you go into accessibility, you're going to tap on the touch option. Once you tap on the touch option, you're going to go ahead and select your back touch. So you have back tap over here, and once you click on back tap, you're going to assign actions for double or triple taps on the back of your phone. For example, on double tap, I want to open up the control center. Now, if I go back and I do a double tap on my iPhone, the control center will be opened up. And this is how you can proceed with customizations on your iPhone with back taps of double tap or triple tap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.